Hello, today I want to talk about 3 reasons why you should consider buying an Aputure MC if you want to make YouTube or having video calls at private or work. One of the main reasons is the package which you're getting is pretty nice. You get a diffuser, you get the main light, you get a USB-A to USB-C cable, which comes nice and handy. And basically, that's all besides 2 small things. You get Velcro steps from 3M, so you can stick it somewhere if you need it. Manual, you remember, really important. And small pouch with a carabine hook on the side where you can put the light and parts inside. Light goes in the big one, and on the side you can put like the cables, for example. Or if you have your camera with you, what I usually do is put the batteries there. That helps as well. This thing has a few options. So first of all, you have a power button, you have a dial to change the color temperature or even the color itself, and you have the USB-C input. So from my side, I usually just use it as being on, use it as a key light, fill light, whatever you need. In my case, usually as a fill light. That's the idea, but you can also change it. So if we go inside right now, I will dial down the brightness so the camera will not tilt completely. So you can see on the display, you can see first of all the temperature of the color, and you can dial in how bright it should be in percent. So that's 100%. You see, that's a lot. You can also change the temperature. So now we'll bring it all up to, I think 6,000 is maximum, 6,500. That is cropsy. And you can go all the way down to, I think 3,000 something. Let's have a look. 3,200. That's a little more flash-like. The second option is you can choose different colors, which comes nice if you just want to use it as a background. So what you do is you push hold the dial. You then go for HSI, and then you can basically scroll through all the kinds of hue, which is pretty nice. Also here, if you have selected it, you can change the saturation as well, and the intensity, all the way down, all the way up. That's what you can do here. Here you see the battery, and you can make a Bluetooth connection to it. If you push hold again, there's another part which is effects. So that's like a paparazzi effect, like a flashlight. You have fireworks, which doesn't come so nice if you look directly into it, but on the walls it looks interesting. As you see that here, but to be honest, no, that's not really fireworks, but you get the point. Then we have a faulty bulb. It will light up and then flicker in between. You have a TV, which you can use. Probably you just want to plug it in if you're going on holidays to pretend that there's some light in that room. You can see it there on the wall again. What else we have? Lightning. Really interesting. I don't know what to use it for, but that's the options. You can have some party. And you also see on the back wall how much this color will make. And pulsing. And a police car. But I think it's US version, blue and red. Don't have that in Switzerland. So, the way that it looks like a fire, I'm not so convinced. I'm a fireman, so no, my last fire didn't look like this. And yep, that's all from the options what you have here. If you want to go back, push hold the dial, and you go back to the normal settings. Bluetooth connection is also inside. You can program it. For me, having light. That's good. Important, light. This is really harsh. This is a diffuser. Put the diffuser on top. It fits inside. It also has magnets on the back side if you want to put it somewhere where it's magnetic. But for me right now, let me fill it a little. The second part, batteries inside. It lasts a couple of hours, which is really nice. You can use it on the go, on the train when you have a Zoom call. That's the way I used it so far. And last but not least, the price. We are at around $120, $115, which I think is okay. I mean, for all the features it's giving, I was quite surprised. So to summarize it, Number one, you get all what you need. Number two, you have a lot of variety and options what you can use it for. And number three, most importantly, it doesn't rob your pocket, and you still have a quite decent light. And even if you put it on a wall or you put it on a stand, you can even screw it on top of your normal mount. You already have a key light. You can use it here or somewhere else. So for me, it's an amazing investment, which I really will use and want to use more in the future. And I think also my videos will benefit from it. If you want to know more about my camera gear, I have an amazing video on the Rode Wireless Go, my first impressions. You will find it linked at the end of the video. And this is from my side. Have a great one. See you next time. Bye.